Who did this? Did you do that? Did you pull all the toilet paper out onto the floor? Did you do that? What are you going to do now? You going to put it back? Yeah, it doesn't go back on very easy, does it? How'd you do that? When did you sneak in here? When Mommy was eating? Are you supposed to be messing with the toilet paper? What are we going to tell Daddy when he gets home? Ooh, scary, huh? What are you going to tell Daddy when he gets home? I don't think he'll believe you if you say Jason did it. You better clean it all up. Can you clean it up? Yeah, it's not really working. Clean it all up. Oh, it's not clean yet, buddy. Clean it all up. Look at all this down here. Can you clean that up? Yep, made a mess. Okay. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
That's right. Are you proud of yourself?
Uh-oh.
It's still not cleaned up. Can you keep cleaning it up? Can you clean up? That's great. It looks pretty good, huh? Uh-oh. Now what? Clean up your mess. Clean it all up. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.